Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny, and in this bass fishing video, we're fishing with the Savage Gear Ned Salamander right here. This is a little bitty lure, but it has big action and is producing some really nice results. So let's see it in action. Let's go. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. There we go. Woo! And that one hooked. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. I want to welcome to the next video. Please be sure to like, subscribe to the channel. We're out here today fishing with this Savage Gear Ned Salamander right here. It's a little bitty 3-inch lure right here with lots of movement, lots of action on it. We're going to catch, I'm sure, some little bass, but with any luck, we'll put in 1 or 2 big bass with it as well. So let's go ahead, get started right now and see what happens. Once again, please be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go get it. There we go. There we go. On that Savage Gear, everybody, had to let him take it. Had to let him take it. All right. There we go. Got him. Got him on that Savage Gear, everybody. All right. That Salamander. Okay. All right, everybody. There he is. On that Savage Gear. That little salamander. We got him. Okay. Everybody, Topwater Johnny here. We got one here on that Savage Gear Salamander. So we can't complain on this one right here. It's a little tough out here. It's July, and it's just tough. And I got to do something to really get them. So I'm downsizing my lures to more like little bugs, hoping that this will trigger a bite. And we got one here. So the theory is being proven. So we'll keep on going. All right. All right, everybody. A little less than a pound, but still a nice bass right here. All right. There we go. There we go. Got him on that Savage Gear Salamander. All right, there he is on that Salamander. All right. All right, not the biggest bass, but we got him on that bug, on that insect, on that little salamander. All right. There we go. That little one. All right. He was in the shallows. I saw him popping. And I just couldn't resist him. He was popping, and I saw him. Had to get him. He's a little bass, but he was aggressive, so I had to go after him. All right. There we go. There's another one. All right. These little ones are loving it. Getting the dinks, but they are keyed in on that salamander. Not a big one, but they're keyed in on that salamander. All right. There we go. There we go. On that salamander. Nicer one here. A little bit better. Thicker, a little bit better. All right, no complaints. Well, we're catching dinks, but we are making it happen out here. So we're gonna fish a little bit more and see what we can do. So, all right, so we just keep on going. Okay. There we go. There we go. All right. All right, there we go. Another nice one here. Here we go. Nicer one here. Not the biggest, but definitely healthy and about a quarter pounder. But okay, no complaints. Here we go. There we go. Got another one. There we go. Another little one. But they are there. All right. Once again, not a big one. But, hey, they're hitting this Savage Gear, man. No complaints. There we go. All right. All right. Another little one here, but we're getting them. We got them. All right. Well, it's a dink fest right now. We're still catching dinks, but we'll just keep on moving, keep on going. There it is out there on the water. All right, we'll keep going. There we go. There we go. All right. Nicer bass. Okay. Okay. That's nice. Look at that, everybody. That caught me off guard. Look at that. Nice bass here, man. Nice bass. All right, man. On that savagegear salamander. Okay, everybody. There we go. Nice one on that salamander. Everybody Topwater Johnny, man. Look at this nice bass here. Pound and a half on that little salamander lured by savagegear in the shallows. All right, man. No complaints. I thought we were only going to get some little bass here, but we done got ourselves a nice one here. So I am very pleased with that. All right. Okay, everybody. Nice long bass here on that salamander. All right. Yep. All right. There we go. There we go. One more here. All right, here we go. The other one, here we go. All right. Totally committed to it. All right, there we go, everybody. Nice little one right there. Nice, healthy one. Well, it's a hot one, everybody. And this morning we were out here and we got some couple nice bass, one location over here, lots of dinks and stuff like that. But we did get one nice one over here, so no complaints. So the Savage Gear Ned Salamander will catch bass of all sizes, as we've now proven. So what I'm going to do is just wrap this up, and then we'll go back to the office, and I'll give you my final thoughts. Please be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you back at the office. All right, everybody, here we got the Savage Gear Ned Salamander. This is actually the 3-inch version right here, and the actual price, $3.47 at Dick's Sporting Good. They come in a package of 5, and as you can see right out the gate here, if you look close enough, you'll see that it has a little slit in the top of it right here, which allows for a weedless presentation. There's a slit in the bottom where you can run the hook through here as well. And this lure also is really built to be a Ned rig style lure as well. So you could set it up as a Ned rig style. You could set it up as a drop shot. I plan to, because of, as you can see, the whole spiraling of the body right here. That means it'll disperse a lot of water. So I'm just going to set this up on a light hook, light wire monofilament, and fish it as a top water lure right across the lily pads, brush tops, and just across the weed line edges. So there it is. There is the Savage Gear Ned Salamander. All right. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. Hope you enjoyed that video there. It is hot here in Florida, and because it's hot here in Florida, those bass are either deep or they're hiding under cover. So what I wanted to do in this video was fish a Ned rig type lure, throwing it into heavy cover, into heavy grass area, as you saw in the video, and showing you how they will come up and they will strike at those type of lures. Because right now, because like I said, it's very hot, very sunny, so they're really laying low and looking up in little holes and pockets in the water column and coming up to smash those lures. And the one that we were using was the, as you can see here, the Savage Gear Ned rig. Now normally when you talk about a Ned rig, you normally see guys using this right here as part of that setup right there, because that's a Ned rig and this is something that you use with it. Well, I'm using things like this right here to set up my actual lure setup. So I'm using Eagle Claw hooks with weed guards. I'm using other types of hooks as well in order to create the result I'm looking for. This particular lure right here is actually a very light lure. So I see how if you have a Ned rig, it would dive to the bottom and his tail would kick. But just on a standard wire hook, you can get this thing to go down in the water column at least a foot to a foot and a half, just on the line you use and the hook, which might be just enough. I was running this across the grass columns, so I was able to do a weedless presentation. As you can see, there is also little vents right in here within the actual lure itself where I can hide the hook inside of here. And it allowed me to really get some decent bass on it, meaning like I got some small bass, I got one really nice bass on it, so it was really encouraging. I wanted to also show you kind of a comparison here. Another lure that a lot of guys fish with is a lizard right here. Now this is a lizard and people rig them up in different ways, but I want to show it to you next to this Ned rig right here. I want you to look at these two right here and understand something here, that this particular lure does work great in the right situations when you're trying to throw into cover, because it will sink and it will go down there and it will create a lot of disturbance as well. But this lure right here really, to me, is more of an all-in-one type of lure. It's a great top water Ned rig as well as a diving Ned rig. This right here, really not built for top water. You can, but you have to reel it really fast. This one right here stays on top and you can reel it really slow, but you do get a lot of water movement and disturbance at the same time. So this lure definitely is a great top water lure in the Ned rig category. Just so I wanted to tell everybody that out the gate. I ended up buying mine at Dick's Sporting Goods, but you can get it at Tackle Warehouse. You can get it at a host of places. The normal price is like $4.99 up to $6, and you get 5 in a packet as well. So to me, this is just one of those really great lures in the summertime when things get tough. Now, because we're still fishing in July here, I'm going to be using probably some smaller baits in order to get some more bites. So I've got some other lures here that I'll just show you. This one right here, I've done like a presentation on it before, but it's another little bitty, it's called the Kamushi bug. And I'm going to be fishing with this one. I think I've got some footage that's ready to go. I'm not for sure yet, but when it's ready and I got some more footage, I'm going to roll that one out as well. Got some other lures that we will definitely talk about this coming up week here on Thursday. But for right now, this was the lure. And the question is, have you ever fished with this one before? Have you ever seen it? What's your thoughts? I can say one thing, the price is right for those that are a little bit more conservative on how much they want to spend on lures. This lure right here really can work on top and below, and the price is definitely right for those that want to, save a few bucks and don't really want to spend a lot of money on those type of lures. So once again, great lure. Have nothing but praise for it. Probably will continue to use it so that I can get some more results out of it as well. So once again, just want to thank each and every one of you guys for being a subscriber to the channel. Please like, subscribe to the channel, and I want you to always remember that phrase. Keep your line tight, because when they hit those topwater lures, especially lures that look like little salamanders, it's going to be a big bite. I'll see you in the next video.